Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying essentials. Windows updates and Visual C++ redistributables matter here. Open Event Viewer or read the error dialog to capture the exact manifest name. This points to the faulty runtime. Once done, sign out of Valorant and stop Riot Vanguard using Task Manager to avoid file locks. Then run an administrative command prompt so subsequent installs and repairs can complete without permission issues. This first action reduces guesswork and prepares the system for precise repairs. You now focus on the runtime listed in the manifest. Repair the specific Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable via Programs and Features. This restores missing or corrupted DLLs. If repair fails, uninstall that package and then reinstall both x86 and x64 versions. Many games require both. Make sure to reboot after installation so Windows binds correct manifests. Once rebooted, check Event Viewer again to confirm the side-by-side error is gone or points to a different. You finish by running the Valorant launcher as administrator and letting the client validate game files. This catches any corrupted game libraries. If the side-by-side error remains, run System File Checker, sfc/scano, then dism restore commands to repair Windows components. Make sure to reboot after each step. If nothing fixes the problem, gather the exact manifest name and Event Viewer logs, then contact Riot support. That information speeds diagnosis and prevents repeating steps unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.